Welcome students. This is the continuation of health and hygiene chapter. In this class we are going to learn about care of the body. Care of the body. Human body is a massive miracle. A human body consists of organs and systems. We know that what are the organic systems are there in human body: digestive system, circulatory system, muscular system, nervous system. Human body works well with proper maintenance and guidance. Our body is compared to a machine, so human body works well with proper maintenance and guidance. For smooth functioning, all the parts of the body should work in unison. The digestive system, circulatory system, and muscular system are the core systems that should be in synchronization and function well. We need to keep them well by proper care. So, smooth functioning, all the parts of the body should work well. So, we need to keep them well by proper care. So, care of the body is very important for smooth functioning of the parts of the body. So, what are the care must be given? Dental care, eye care, hair care. So in this class we are going to learn about dental care. Dental care, or broadly speaking, oral hygiene, is an important aspect of the personal health of an individual. Good oral hygiene implies sound teeth and healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. So, good oral hygiene means sound teeth and healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. The physical act of chewing food promotes saliva and gastric secretions which help digestion. So, teeth is essential for good appearance and clear speech also. So, good oral hygiene implies sound teeth and healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. The act of chewing and tasting is called mastication. So, what is mastication? The act of chewing and tasting. It gives pleasure and emotional satisfaction of eating food. So, teeth is essential for good appearance and clear speech also. When you brush 2 times a day, it will prevent the formation of tartar and plaque on your teeth and gums. When you floss, it will remove food particles, plaque and bacteria which build up between your teeth. When you start flossing, your gums may bleed a little bit, but after few days that will be stopped. It should be started only with proper medical guidance. So, brush 2 times a day will prevent the formation of bacteria which build up between your teeth. So, brush your teeth 2 times a day. Diseases affecting teeth. Failure to have oral hygiene results in diseases affecting the teeth. Some of the diseases affecting the teeth and gums, their causative agents and remedial measure are given in the table. So, what is the name of the disease? Bleeding gums. Causative agent vitamin C deficiency. So vitamin C deficiency causes bleeding gums, impacts bleeding of the gums. Remedial measure: eating citrus fruits like oranges. So vitamin C deficiency causes bleeding gums. So in remedial measure for this bleeding gum, eating citrus fruits. Next one is tooth decay, bacteria in plaque. So consequences: bacteria produce acids. So here tooth decay occur. What is the remedial measure for tooth decay? Brushing and flossing the teeth can prevent decay. Next disease is periodontitis. So causative agent: tobacco chewing. Consequences: severe form of gum disease, ruin the bones, gums and other tissues. So remedial measure: chewing type of tobacco should be avoided. Then eat a well balanced diet. So these are the remedial measures to prevent the diseases affecting teeth. So dental care, that is good oral hygiene, implies sound teeth and healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. So oral hygiene is an important aspect of the personal health of an individual. So students, brush your teeth 2 times a day. That will prevent the formation of tartar and plaque on your teeth and gums. So maintain the good oral hygiene. Thank you.